Hey guys, how's it going? Back again with some more outdoor therapy. I got a special place for you. It's called Elsewhere, right downtown, and you go check it out here in just a moment. I won't put you in the holster this time. I gotta put you in the hand. This place is freaking awesome. Stand by. All right, here we go, guys. Going in by hand. Painted cows, beautiful decorations. Shaded spots. It's like a beer garden. Has food, restrooms. All kinds of awesome. Let's check that out. Check them out. Giraffes. Real and artificial trees. Little water station over there in front of the spot to order drinks and get food. Check that out. You can even sit in a hammock like this young lady. Sit and swing. Got here early, so it's not too many people around. Plus, it's a Sunday. So, be with that as you may. Man, that smells good. I don't know what they're grilling in there. Hookah, Wi-Fi, chill little hangout spot, man. Maybe I guess.
Oh, they did? This is I need to.
All right. And then right next door, they got the little doggy beer garden where you can play games. No cash, no dog, no problem. TVs, humans. Alright. Put you guys in the holster, hold on. Okay, we're back at it. Let's get Oscar Mike. Look at this tree. Oh, look at that cool ass Honda. And like I said, it's right next door to each other. Check this out. Alright guys, that's all I got for this one. Hope you guys get some outdoor therapy and find out some peaceful spots in your town. Alright, until then, get you some outdoor therapy. Catch you later.